So we're actually going to show you how to desolder this too. So I'm desoldering some chips right here, you can see. But there's actually, this is from the teach part, you can see, if I can show you, these are actually capacitors. You can see what I'm trying to do. It's not hard to do, but I've been doing this the last week and a half. We're going to do it right now. But this is what it is. It's all soldered. It's all soldered stuff. Trying to see where the capacitor is at. Most of the capacitors are right down there. Okay. Let's see. Right there. Okay, what I'm going to do, I got one of these suckers will do it. This little plastic tube sucker will work. I don't know how to do it. What was the one I was deciding? Password right there. Got it. That was easy. You see it? Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, that came right out, no problem. That's what you do. But you can do it other tools this way. I don't know if you guys saw it, which you just saw on camera. Looks like there's nothing wrong with the component. Let's see. I'll show you in a minute. See if we can focus on the capacitor. It is really good. There we go, just let it focus. See, it looks good. See, this camera is really good for that stuff. See, it's actually a capacitor I just took out. These wires will still work and you can bend these out. No problem, you can still do it. So save these before you use your radios. These are actually from a TV. From an old 1998 RCA TV. That's what those chips are. I actually have 2 of these chips I just got the other day. When I threw these TVs outside, I took the chips, and either way I wanted the chips for all the capacitors. So you can actually do that. There we go. Focus. See, that's actually, you can see. There it goes. Takes a few seconds to focus on that. That's what it does. This is actually my Sony cam. This camera is really good. I got that one for free. When I bought it on Leslie about 3 or 4 years ago, I got lucky on this one. When the credits were really low back then when I'm doing this. It's good for projects like this. Focus. There it goes. You can see all that. But yeah, that's actually what I took out that capacitor. You can get more of that. They take a while to do this with the solder. It takes a long time to take these things out. I just wanted to show you a video what I was doing, but I could take out other ones. I was taking these different capacitors. I have some in the box here, guys, here I'll show you. Yeah, you can see all that. See, that's actually what I got. You can actually see the fuses and stuff. I've been taking those out of the TV thing for the last, I think a couple days ago. I actually did about 4 days ago. Actually, I was just showing you some of the things I was doing. So I was trying to give you an idea what I was doing with the solder, but I was using it. I was taking a lot of these capacitors out, and that's how I got a lot of that stuff in that TV thing. So I just wanted to give you a little short video on that, so I didn't want to show you the whole entire thing. Because, yeah, what you do with the solder iron when you do that, you just have to put it in something like this. And it'd be okay to use the pliers to do it, no problem. It's one of the street solder irons, but you can get the tips for it. You can get a different brand name for it. It usually works. See, it just actually came out really quite good. Actually, probably would just turn it down a little bit. But I also used the little sucker when I was doing the little air pump thing. They actually make automatic ones like this. That's what you use when you try to get other stuff out of it. It usually works really good for everything you do. It just desolders the solder when you do that. Yeah, there we go. So I'm going to let you go for a while. Just wanted to show you how to take one of these out and move it. You can do it with pliers, you can do it either way, but I actually it came out. It's very tough when you do it, but yeah, you can use pliers to do it, but you gotta do it very timely to do. So this is Richard, let you go to all my special friends, to Blake and Danielle. Have a wonderful week this week. Just wanted to show you what this is. This is the kind of thing I've been dealing with the last day and a half. This is actually a TV part. I need to show you the whole entire thing. And this is actually capacitors and stuff like that. You see those capacitors, that's when you need to take those out if they throw out the TV. But the capacitors are good for stuff you can use for radios, video game consoles. You can use them for stuff like for drones, remotes. You can use it for anything for radios mostly. They're good for CB radios, ham radios, anything like base stations you can repair. Any of these capacitors will fix. You can still buy some of these parts online, but I'm recycling these parts right away. I'm doing. But it's very heavy piece. But this is actually an old 90s TV thing. That's actually the chip, that silver thing you just saw. That's actually the chip that actually connects to the TV. Mostly you just want the capacitors and chips out of it. So I'm going to let you go. Have a wonderful week this week. Just wanted to show you what I was doing on the video to show you how to desolder one of these things and give you an idea of it. Catch you all later. Thanks.